Mishimelon.
Let's see how well you count. How many apples do you see? 1. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. 1. Great! There is 1 apple. How many oranges do you see? 1, 2. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. Perfect! There are 2 oranges. Here are some strawberries. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. 3. You did it! There are 3 strawberries. Well done! It's harvest season, and the apples on the apple tree are red and ripe. Red, red, green, red, yellow, green, red, 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 green, red, green, 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 red, 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 yellow. Well done! We are going on a picnic. Let's pack some fruits. Sort the fruits into baskets according to their number. Great! Put the fruits in the baskets according to their number. Yoo-hoo! Put the fruits into separate baskets according to their number. Very well done! Let's see what we have here. Oh! This is a counting game. Count the number of fruits and match them with the box with the same number. Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. Nice work! Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. You're doing amazing! Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. Whoa! So quick! I love it! Help me sort these fruits according to color. Move the fruit into the right basket. You're doing great! Well done! You did an amazing job! Time to harvest some fruits. Match the number of fruits with the number on the box. Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. You're so clever! Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. So quick! Great work! Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. I love it! You're the best! It's time for a quiz. You know numbers 1, 2, 3. There is 1 apple, 2 bananas, 3 cherries. Let's pair the numbers with the right amount of fruits. Wow, you did so good! You passed start the quiz. Let's make a tasty smoothie. Add 4 oranges to the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add 1 strawberry to the blender. 1, it's time to add 3 bananas to the blender. 1, 2, 3. Finally, add 2 ice cubes to the blender. 1, 2. We made a very tasty smoothie. Keep it up. Let's make a tasty smoothie. Add 3 apples to the blender. 1, 2, 3. Now add 2 oranges to the blender. 1, 2. It's time to add 4 bananas to the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, add 5 ice cubes to the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We made a very tasty smoothie. Keep it up. Let's see what kinds of fruit we bought more of. Which fruits have more? Apples or oranges? That's right! There are more oranges than apples. Let's do it again. Which fruits have more? Strawberry or kiwi? That's right! There are more strawberries than kiwis. Can you do it again? Which fruits have more? Pears or peaches? That's right! There are more pears than peaches. We bought a lot of fruit, and you did a great job. Let's help with selling fruits. 1. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. Great job! Look, another fruit buyer. 1, 2, 3. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. You did it! And here is the last buyer. 1, 2. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. You helped a lot today. Keep it up! This is such a cute picture. Let's color the picture according to the colors. Brilliant! We need to determine how much the watermelons weigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. Great job! Look! Pears! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. Awesome! You did it! And the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. You determined the weight correctly. Good job!